Good morning to all. Welcome to linear equation in two variables. In the previous classes, you find the solutions of the linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now look at here. Now x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Okay. Now actually this is linear equation in one way. Okay. Now how can we draw the graph of x is equal to 3? You look at the graph sheet. X is equal to 3 means positive. X equal to 3 means the graph is something like this. For any value of y, the graph is x is equal to 3. Okay. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, etc. 3 minus 1. So, it's a line parallel to y-axis. X is equal to 3 is a line parallel to y-axis. Okay. Now, this is the graph. And y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 is here. Now the graph is parallel to x-axis. Y is equal to 4 is parallel to x-axis. You see that? And the two graphs intersect at a point. This is x and this is y. It is 3, 4. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. Intersect at a point 3, 4. Is it clear? Once again. Now x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 3. How can we draw the graph of that? X is equal to minus 2 is in the left side. You see that left minus 2? So the line is parallel to y-axis, already you studied that. And y is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 3 is below. Okay? And this is that line. Y is equal to negative. So it intersects at a point minus 2, minus 3. X is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 3. Is it clear? Is it over? Next, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to negative. What is that? That is. Now, x is equal to 4 is in the right side. This is that. The graph is parallel to y-axis. Graph is parallel to y-axis. Y is equal to minus 2 is here. Y is equal to minus 2. And the graph is parallel to x-axis. So this point is the x coordinate is 4, y coordinate is minus 2. Isn't it? So the intersecting point of these two graphs is 4 minus 2. Is it clear? One more example. X is equal to negative 3, y is equal to positive 3. What is that? X is equal to negative 3 is in the left side. Negative 3 is here. Now the graph is parallel to y-axis. Is it clear? And y is equal to 3 is somewhere here. Y is equal to 3 is here. So the x coordinate is minus 3, y coordinate is 3. It is minus 3, 3. The intersecting point of the graphs is minus 3, 3. Is it clear? Is it clear? So, without drawing these lines, you can find the intersecting point. Can you say that? The graph is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 3. What is the intersecting point? It's here. 5 minus 3 is the intersecting point. Is it clear? X is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 2. What is the intersecting point? X is equal to 6 and minus 2 is it clear? X is equal to negative 4 and y is equal to 4. What is the intersecting point? That is minus 4 and 4. Is it clear? So you can easily find the intersecting point of the lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. X is equal to a constant, the line is parallel to y-axis. Y is equal to constant is the line is parallel to x-axis. And the intersecting point is x and y. Is it clear? Okay. And you can write that in the form of linear equation in two variables. That is, Ax means x. There is no y, so 0y equal to 5. So it is x plus 0y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. One more example. Y is equal to 3. How can you write this in the form of linear equation 2a? Now, there is no coefficient of x, 0x. Y is here equal to 3. So, 0x plus y, that 3 taken to the left side, minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Now, this is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. One more example. X is equal to minus 4. Now x is given. No coefficient of y is 0. Equal to negative 4 x plus 0 y minus 4 transferred to right side plus 4 equal to 0. Now this is in the form of ax plus by plus c. So is it clear? Okay, see you. I will give you the home assignment later.